Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best faucet website as on DGB, and you can claim your free DGB every 5 minutes. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and let's get started. And if you have Faucet Pay account, you can claim your free faucet from that website. If you don't have Faucet Pay account, link in description. Okay, this is a DGB website. You can claim your free DGB from this website, and if you want to earn much more, you can copy your referral link and share with your friends. Okay, first you go to deposit, copy your DGB link, and this is DGB link. Come here, paste your DGB link and just click login, and come down and just click I'm human. Solve this letter capture. This is a motor bus. Just click the buses and just click next, and again buses. Okay, this is bus, and just click check. Okay, and just click claim. Just solve this letter capture. This is 8 minus 6 is 2, and this is a 3 plus 6 is 9, and this is a 7, this is a 7 again, and this is 6. Okay, this is very easy to solving the capture. Just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucet Pay account. Go to your dashboard, use a dashboard. Okay, and you can see your okay, this is the website pay me from. I receive my payment from this website. Okay, this website pay you 100%, and this website link available in description. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and bye bye for now.